What's up, guys? This is Daniel, and I am going to take you through a brief introduction to Adobe Illustrator 2020. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and select Adobe Illustrator 2020, and then let's just wait for it to start up. Alright, so this is Adobe Illustrator. This is the interface. We are going to look at the interface today. We have a set of tools right here. You have your home button right there. You have the file, edit, object, type, select, effect, view, window, and help. Now, these above here are the items that are found in the menu bar. The menu bar is right up here. Just follow the cursor. The menu bar is right up here, and on the right hand side we have the panel section. Now this is where we find properties, layers, and library. So the reason why we cannot see anything is because we haven't yet opened up anything. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to file. At the left top corner you'll find the word file, and it will always be highlighted, or you will notice a dark shade around around the word file right there. So I'll go ahead and click file, and the next thing you're going to do is head straight to new. You can find the shortcut Ctrl N right there. Okay, then this is a pop-up for the new document. Now, in other Adobe Illustrator programs, let's say for example the CS6 or 2019 or 27, you might not be able to find these other properties. So if you are updated, the better. Alright, so let's go ahead and go straight to preset details. Now this right here is where we are going to go ahead and edit our artboard. And what I will do is give it a new name. I will call it exercise 1. It's always good to label. It's always good to give your work names. Alright, so right here where we have points, we are going to select, we're going to click points right there and choose any that you prefer. I prefer centimeters because I'm comfortable counting centimeters. And we have the width and height. But we are looking for an A4 size. And then you look right here, there's a B5 and F4 right there. Alright. We shall go straight, and before we go straight to create, let's go ahead and look at the orientation. You have a portrait, and then you have a horizontal landscape. And you can also choose how many artboards you would want to have, either 3 or 2 or 1. But for now, let's just select one page. It goes straight to create. Alright. So we have one page right here, and I will go straight to the tools here. We have a selection tool, we have a direct selection tool, we have a pen tool, we have a curvature tool, we have a rectangle tool, we have paintbrush, type tool, rotate tool, eraser tool, and many more that you are yet to discover. It's all about discovering once you get onto this software. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a rectangle or a box right here. I'm going to go ahead and click. The next thing I will do is bring the cursor straight to the page and click, left click, hold it, and then move the cursor either downwards or upwards to choose the length or height of the rectangle or square that you are looking for. And that is that. Okay, so let's say I want to move the square from this point to this point here, right there, the bottom page. What I will do is head to the select tool right there above the rectangle tool, is right here, and then go ahead, click on the object. I will hold that left click and push it down to the bottom corner. The next thing I want to do is create a circle. I'll go ahead to rectangle, hold it, click, hold, and then you will see more options appear. The ellipse tool stands for a circle. I will let go and go ahead to the artboard and hold shift and then click and drag down. The reason why I'm holding shift is because I want a perfect circle. But if I wanted to create an oval, what I will do is let go of the shift and just click and drag. I hope you're all seeing the difference. Alright, perhaps I want to give it a different color. I will click on the circle, head straight to the right hand side of the screen. Now this here are the properties. Now whichever object you click, you'll always find different properties. There's an ellipse right up here on the word properties. We have ellipse. Then you have these other options to choose, but this doesn't really help you much. You won't really have to get into this. Let's go straight to fill right here below on that box that is white. I will go ahead and click, and then there is another pop-up that brings more more colors. I will go ahead and click blue. I hope you have all noticed the difference. Now what the stroke does, this right here is the stroke. I hope you're all following the cursor. This right here is the stroke. I want to change the color of the stroke to something that is red. Right. So I will click red. It's not easily visible right now, but what you would want to do is at the stroke there, you will find two arrows, one up, one that goes up and one that goes down. What I will do is click the top arrow, keep on clicking while I look at the circle. I hope you are all noticing the difference on the page. Good. The next thing I will do is change the color of the box, and we shall make it yellow. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is move it aside. I am clicking and holding while I drag the mouse. Okay. I am going to increase the thickness of the stroke. I will go ahead to the word stroke and go straight to the arrows. The arrow, specifically the arrow that points up, and then I will go ahead and click it. I hope you are all noticing the difference on the screen. Okay, if I want to delete an object on the page, I will click it, and then either backspace or delete on the keyboard will do. Alright, so that is it for today. That is it for the first lesson. We shall meet another time or the next time I upload. Alright, so be sure to like, subscribe, and pass on the information to those that you think might need it. Alright, have a good day, and that is it for the day. I will be explaining more about the layers and more about the tools. Alright, in my next video I will talk about the pen tool and show you how to make the curves and lines. Okay, have a good day. I hope you have more time with Illustrator, more time to explore with whatever you have on this software.